Hello everyone, Keylogin here. Today I will show you how to install the latest version of Windows 11 on unsupported PC, and I will show you how to download and how to put on your USB stick to boot it on your computer and install the Windows. It's very easy, you will see you don't need much things. Let's go on. Go to the Google, write Rufus, go enter. Go to the first site and scroll down, and you see some variants of Rufus. First we need this Rufus first. Click on this. Yes. Okay. Now show our device, it's connected, but first we need to download the Windows 11. We have in this right bottom, go select. We have this. Okay, in the right side we have this big button select. You have this little button in the right side and we choose download. Click download and then click on this big button download. Okay, that appears version. What we need Windows 11, 10, 8.1, Windows 7. We need Windows 11. Go continue. Okay, this is the easiest method, I find it, and it's very easy to take a good version. Okay, these are some version release. This is the last version 22H2 version 1. This is the last. You can take 21H2, 21H2 V1 or the last version. We take the last version and go continue. And then say what edition we get. We get the Home, Pro and Edu edition. Let's go continue. And they answer what language we need. I will choose English, United States. Let's go continue. And they answer what architecture. As you know, Windows 11 it's just on x64. Don't check this download using a browser, just click on download, choose where to download the Windows. I will choose on download folder, and you can put what name you want, but I let the name as default, and go save. And as you see, I download the Windows 11. Okay, let's wait to download finish. Okay guys, I finished to download the latest version of Windows 11. First of all, select your USB stick. This is my version. Okay, if you don't show like this Windows 11 because I download the version, just go select and select your Windows downloaded like this. Go standard Windows installation or Windows to go. We go standard Windows installation. You need to see your partition if it's GPT or MBR. As you see this, click right on start, go disk management. Okay, and if you have this one or this two, first of all look at disk 0 because this is my disk, and go to the volumes, and here you see partition style, it's GPT as you see in here. Okay, and I need the GPT version. If this it's MBR, you need to choose the partition scheme MBR, but for me it's GPT. I select GPT. This is UEFI. You can let the volume label as default, choose NTFC, and when you start, this is the most important what you need to do. To install on all laptops, unsupported laptops what you have, first check this button, remove require for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPM. And with this checked, you can install your Windows 11 on all unsupported laptops or PCs. Then it's very important to remove requirement for an online Microsoft account to bypass the if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can bypass this. Then if you have a Windows installed in your computer as me, you can create a local account with username and you bypass the user to create a new one. You can create as your Windows if you want to install in another laptop. Set regional option the same value at my PC, you can select it or not. And disable data collections, keep privacy questions. This it's important because disable all the data collections from the Microsoft. And you, after you check all of these, just click OK and OK, and you now create a USB boot for Windows 11 and you can install on all unsupported laptops or PC what you have in your house. That's it guys for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have questions, don't forget to put in my comments, and don't forget to share, subscribe and like if you like my video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.